Hello, doing a video for YouTube for a guy in northern Illinois. This is what I have for the wiring for the Toro 117 Groundsmaster that I took apart this summer. I did not, I think there was at least one wire that was cut. There is, let me turn the trouble light a little bit. Of course, I'm an amateur at making YouTube videos. Nothing really professional about this, though that might change someday. Okay, sorry about that. There's multiple of these T-shaped connectors. Well, that one's like an offset T-shape. I don't know where that wire went to. These two wires went to the top of the hydro pump. I think there was a safety switch in the top of the hydro pump of the 117 Groundsmaster. I do not know the year my 117 Groundsmaster was. I might. Oh wait. Oh, I think I probably have the serial number. Crap. I might have the serial number somewhere here. Darn, unless it would be. No, that's the front. Okay, I got the steering tower there. I think I'd have to dig to see if I still have the plate with the serial number on it. Okay. That looks like, I don't know. Oh, looks like someone bypassed something there. And these plugs, I'm pretty sure, went up to the dash for the PTO and for the ignition switch. And I think, I'm not sure, but I think this plug went to the electric clutch, because there is a black wire here. I'm assuming that's a ground wire. And here's the clutch. I'm going to bring the clutch home with me. But it's got an offset T connector. So I really don't know. I really don't know if anyone out there that really knows these mowers a lot better than I, or maybe works in a Toro shop, could chip in and tell me what. But it was a 117 Groundsmaster, so it had a Kohler KT17 in it. I think it was a later series KT17. The first 117 Groundsmasters came out in 1985, and I think those just had a splash version of the KT17. The later KT17s had oil pump in them, and I think even some of them had oil pumps with oil filter on them. There was quite a few variations of the KT17 engine. So well, I'll bring that clutch with me, and I'll make a phone call. Give him a call. But yep, sold the front axle, sold the engine, and here and there I'm getting calls for different parts for it. Sold the front wheels and tires, but I'm keeping the hydraulics from them. It's October 20th of the year 2020, and I do have a Craigslist ad for the parting out this Toro 117 Groundsmaster. But right now I don't have any intentions of selling the hydraulic cylinder or valve or pump. I'm going to try and adapt that to a wing mower that I'm building to attach to my Toro 522XI garden tractor. Okay, wow, it's in the middle of the night, so I better head home. Still got a few miscellaneous parts. I was going to save, I like to save the lift arms from the grounds, 117, 118, 120 Groundsmasters because they're a pretty good start if you want to make a 3-point hitch on the rear of a garden tractor. Anyway, well, thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.